2024 Honda Prologue. Let's get to it. So we just got this one off the truck. So my apologies if it seems a little dirty because we just got it probably about 30 minutes ago, and I wanted to get the video out. Also, my apologies for not shooting videos as of late. I got a promotion, so I don't quite have the time like I used to. However, there's no excuse. So I will be getting these videos back out to y'all. I just need to make the time. So this one is the all-wheel drive Elite Prologue. The Elite is the highest package that you can get in the Honda family, and this one is the all-wheel drive. So a little bit about the electric. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the back. Does have quite cabin space. You can also purchase a hood a cover here, cover your belongings if you have anything important in the back. All of our vehicles come with all-weather mats and trunk tray, but you still get the carpet if you desire to keep those. Let's see what else we got here. Extra storage space. This is also my first time being inside of the Prologue. It does have automatic trunk closure. So I'm sharing this experience with y'all. We're going to start with the back seat. For those that remember or may not know, I am 6 foot tall. I've got this seat all the way back. So we're going to go ahead and show you what that looks like. So I got plenty of room. Long trip, no problem at all. Very comfortable back here. Does have we do have vents back here. I'm in Vegas, so it is still 110 degrees a day, and we're already in September. So these are essential for our very hot summers we got out here. We have a DC plug outlet, so that's good. That can, charge a laptop, iPad, so on and so forth, and 2 additional chargers back here. The seats do recline somewhat, so there is a angle that you'll see here. Let me show that to you. So this is the 2-tone gray with black middle inset, and then you'll see the orange piping here as well on the Elite. The color combination is great. People like it, but nonetheless, plenty of room. And then we have a middle console here, 2 cup holders. I like it. Very comfortable. I'm going to show you the panoramic sunroof. The Elite comes with sunroof. This one is a 20-inch wheels. This is also going to be in the Elite package. You'll see here the chrome with the black inset. Very comfortable ride, too. It's also my first time driving it. Very comfortable. For those that may not be familiar with EVs, it does have that punchy feel. Some people like it. Some people don't. I never owned an EV car simply for that reason. The punchiness can come off, for some people, at least what I'm hearing is it can have you car sick, from all the back and forth that the car seems to do. Other than that, this one is not as punchy, so Honda's done a good job with this one. We do have front sensors, parking sensors, all throughout the front of the vehicle. This one has blind spot, crash detection. Let's go ahead and get in the front cabin. This one is going to come with Google Map. It does still have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but this one has Google Map. So let's go ahead and go to the phone. You can pair phone. It's got Bluetooth. All of our settings. This is the settings for the vehicle. Your dome light, your camera. This one does have bird's eye view. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in reverse so you can see that. So bird's eye view, very nice. Really no reason you should hit anything in this vehicle. And then it has a split screen. So you can have your Google Map here, and then your music playing on this side, your text messages, so on and so forth. Let's go back home. And then your different settings here for the vehicle, your apps, date and time. You can customize it how you see fit. This one does have Sirius XM. That was a big complaint. And a lot of the Hondas that they did, they got away from Sirius XM. So I know that the consumers will be happy about that. The Elite is going to have cooled seats, heated seats, and it's got dual air. So as you can see here, I have this on low. This one is on, if you or your spouse, whoever's, they get as cold, they can turn theirs up a bit. But cooled seats for both sides, heated seats for both sides. And the air Honda's also had issues with that, where the air is not as cold. I will say that this one is working very good. This is just, to store stuff. You probably put your phone here. But what I will say is that we have wireless charging here, wireless charging. and then 2 more outlets here, and then an additional outlet that becomes additional charging as well. We'll go ahead and open up the panel sunroof. See that? And then you can control all of your dials with the steering wheel. This one has a heated steering wheel. Again, that will only be in the Elite version, and you can control your map here. So that's a nice feature. You have Google Map on your component there, and then you have crash detection here, cruise control, adaptive cruise control. You have a sport mode, so you can go in sport mode. Not sure if you can see that. Let me open this door. So you got sport mode, lane assist, auto hold, parking brake. This car has it all. It's got Google, Apple, Siri commands, and then your music, all the different settings. It gets about 300 miles to the charge. There is a fast charge version outlet that you can get installed in the home, and it does need to be done by an electrician. And the cost on that can range between $600 to $800, considering what charging component that you get. Right now, you do get qualified for the EV tax credit, which is about $7,500 from the government, and then Honda in itself is offering an additional, at least we are, our dealership is offering an additional $5,000 incentives on a lease. I want to say purchase as well, but for sure on a lease. Also, this one has Bose sound system. If I happen to miss anything, I will have all of the details and statistics data in the description below. But other than that, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Please stay tuned for more videos. We got a lot of 25s that came in. I'm Chris with Finley Honda Henderson, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Any comments are more than welcome. I'll answer each of them. And if there's a video that you would like to see on a different car, let me know and I'll get that out. Appreciate y'all. Have a blessed one.